Welcome to Cool Happenings. Everything I find cool and amazing. Your one-stop channel for all your accessible tech solutions.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon, so you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.
To Cool Happenings. Today is going to be short but I would say equally useful demonstration of an unboxing of the Lightning to USB 3 camera adapter. Now I know there have been many done out there, but never so far I've come across one done with accessibility features enabled, by which I mean voiceover on the iPhone. Now in this quick unboxing I'm going to talk about, show in a way through audio how the unboxing would look like. Okay, so I have the box. I received it about a week ago in the mail, and it's a fairly slim box, few inches long by about 3 inches wide and about 5 inches in height, and the device itself is in the box. So let's take a look. I'm going to try to unbox it with no vision whatsoever, and let's see what we have in the box. I've opened the box. Now it comes with, let's see. Okay, there's the adapter itself. Let me remove it carefully, put it here on the table, and then there is a kind of like a guidebook, or it's more, I would say, it would most probably be kind of like a guide, a small guide on how to use the device, and then like a small card, perhaps a guarantee card. I would have to check it out. A guarantee card or a warranty card. Okay, so that's what you get in the box. Now the device itself, let me put the packaging on the floor. So the device itself comes, it's the adapter, and we're feeling around it with my fingers. It has 2 ports on one side and 1 connector on the other end. So by which I would be guessing I'm going to try it out later on. For my next demo, and there would be how to use it to actually connect and use it on your iPhone with a flash drive, a USB flash drive. Okay, so the beauty about this adapter, from what I heard, yes, it is there, but I have to confirm it. It's the Apple authorized Lightning to USB 3 camera adapter. Now, I would recommend, if you are a voiceover user, if you are having certain kind of disability, especially if you are blind or totally blind or have a little vision, I would advise go for the authentic Apple authorized peripherals, because you don't want to go through the trouble of paying money for an accessory later to find out it does not work, right? So go for the authentic Apple authorized peripherals. Like in this case, this is the Apple authorized camera Lightning to USB 3 camera adapter. Okay, and the beauty about having an Apple authorized the device or a peripheral is that one, it's you know it's authentic, it's guaranteed by Apple, at least to a certain extent I guess. It's reliable, and it comes with, you know, support. Since it's authorized by Apple, you would get Apple support. I'm pretty sure it would come with Apple support. That I would have to confirm with the guarantee card I received in the box. But this is how it looks like. It's no longer than half the size of a flash drive, about 2 inches in height, and the same. It's like a square where you have the USB port, a lightning port, and a lightning connector which goes into your iPhone. Okay, and this device currently would work on any of the Apple devices running iOS 13 or iPad OS 13, and the device which it currently supports is the iPhone 6s and above, the iPad mini 4 and above, or any of the iPad Pros. Okay, and yeah, that will be it. And if you have those, be prepared for my next demo. If you have not, you may want to get one, and ensure that you are on iOS 13, because this adapter previously is not made for the iPhone, but with iOS 13 it can be used to read your USB flash drives on your iPhone as well. Okay, so let's see all again in my coming up demo on how to use this adapter to read USB flash drives. So I'll see you all soon. Take care and have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.